This is a tree that is literally being held up by a lot of grapevines, and it's been rotten for a long time. A lot of insects and birds make their home in here. However, it is literally starting to fall, as you can see here. And if it were to fall, it would crash into part of my garden. So my good brother-in-law, Mark, and Sage and Reid are going to try to get this down in a way that doesn't kill them and take out the garden. It's going to be a fairly complicated operation, I believe. You got the heavy end, Mark.
Yeah, I got a heavy end.
Okay, man.